Good evening, hello, assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn past perfect tense, which is an advanced tense. Okay, students, so you got to be focused. It has got two actions. In the past you have two actions, and the first action and the subsequent in thereafter this action. All right, so let's get started without wasting any time. Past perfect tense. Past perfect. All right, so when we are making any sentence of any tense, the first thing you require is the formula or structure or rules. And the structure, we write it here because we have been writing structure, which is subject plus had plus verb third form plus object. And also for the second action, subject plus verb second form plus object. Okay, the second thing we require for making the sentences is the definition. Very, very important definition. Unless if you are not aware of definition, where this tense is used, and you wouldn't be able to do so. So this is very important. So definition, it talks about, or when you say when we have two actions, when we have two actions in past, we use past perfect tense. So we understood when we have two actions in the past, we use this past perfect tense. Okay, so how we use it for the first action, we use this formula for the first action till here, subject plus had plus verb third form and plus object. This is for the first. And the subsequent action, the second action, we use second action. We use subject plus verb second form plus object. Sometimes object required, sometimes no, but we'll put it here on the both sides. All right. So the third thing you require is identification. If some sentence is written in Urdu, and how you will distinguish whether this is past perfect or another tense. So identification in Urdu. So such sentences would be like, जब मैं घर पहुंचा मेहमान कराची जा चुके थे. कराची जा चुके थे. So when जब मैं घर पहुंचा तो मेहमान कराची जा चुके थे. So it has got two tenses. You see here, जब मैं घर पहुंचा, first one, and this another one, मेहमान जा चुके थे. So identification in Urdu. So how you identify it from this one, which one is the first action? So when what it states, when I reached home, the guest had gone to Karachi. So when you reached home, nobody was there. So it means first the guest had gone to Karachi, and then you reached home. You got the idea? So in Urdu, it is like ja chuke the. When you found this word, ja chuke the, ja chuki thi, so it means this is the first action. The first and the second action is, of course, the other one. So we'll make some examples. For this one, we'll try to make it now. The sentence. जब मैं घर पहुंचा तो मेहमान जा चुके थे. So I'll just put the structure here. Subject. The structure is subject plus had plus verb third form plus object, and again the subject plus verb second form plus object. Okay. We understood that the first action is मेहमान कराची जा चुके थे. So the guest had gone to Karachi. Okay, so jab megha, jab, when, and the subject is here. When I, and we too, reached become reached. When I reached home. That's it. So the guest had gone to Karachi when I reached home. We'll make another sentence. Fatima khana पका चुकी थी जब सारा घर आई. I'll put it reverse now. Okay, so we understood, as I told you, so chuki thi, chuka tha, this is the first one in Urdu if you want to identify. Otherwise, Fatma had cooked food when Sarah came. So when Sarah came, of course, the first action was already done because Fatima had cooked food. So first action, of course, it was this one. In Urdu also like that. And otherwise, this is second. So now we'll make it here. The first action, Fatima had, the subject Fatima had, we three, cook becomes cooked, food, object, when Sarah, V2, subject, and V2. Sarah becomes came home. So Fatma had cooked food when Sarah came home. It is so simple. Only you need to just understand the actions. The first action we use subject, had, and verb third form, and for the second action we use subject plus verb second form, which is past simple plus object. This is it from now. Inshallah, catch you up tomorrow with another session. Thank you very much and take care of yourself.